Hey all, Sean here from Testa Family. It's a rad day here at Testa Family. I just had two brand new electric fat tire bikes from Rad Power Bikes delivered to my parents' house.
This story actually starts 15 years ago when my parents bought me a brand new Harley-Davidson Sportster. And since then, I always felt that I had to repay them in some way. Fast forward 15 years, and I decided to buy them two brand new e-bikes.
These are the RadRover Plus model. We've got one high step and one Step-Thru. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. We'll put the bikes together and take them for a ride.
All right, before we get started with the unboxing, let's talk about price. I bought these two RadRover 6 Plus electric fat tire bikes from Rad Power Bikes back in August of 2022. At the time, they were having a $400 off per bike sale. Normally, these bikes are $2,000 a piece, and I got them for $15.99 each. So there is no shipping for the two bikes. Of course, there was some county tax having them shipped to New York and state tax as well, bringing the total to $3,453.84 for two brand new e-bikes. If you're considering buying a Rad Power bike, enter this link into your web browser and a pop-up window will open, giving you a code for $50 off your first electric bike purchase. We're getting real close to Black Friday, so Rad Power Bikes is having their Black Friday holiday haul for 2022. Save up to $500 on select bikes through 11/28. So now the price for the RadRover 6 Plus, the same bike that I bought, is $500 off. You can now get the RadRover 6 Plus electric fat tire bike for $14.99. Or you could save $300 on a Rad City 5 Plus, or $100 on the Rad Expand 5. All right, let's get into the unboxing.
All right, here are the boxes. They were delivered just a couple days ago. I drove all the way up from Maryland here to New York State. We're gonna be assembling these bikes today. And hey, look at this, you are rad. Very cool design on the box. Rad even allows us to get creative if we want, turning this box into a rad art project. These were rather hefty boxes here, weighing around 44.5 kilograms or right around 100 pounds a piece. Okay, opening the boxes here. All right, here is the high step in black in the shipping box, all bundled up nicely in here. And one Step-Thru in white. All bundled up nicely. Look at these big tires on this. Definitely a fat tire bike. Inside the box is this. Congratulations on your purchase of an e-bike by Rad Power Bikes. This is the owner's manual. You get a little sticker. Rad. Headlight. Pedals. Reflectors, charger, here is the handlebar clamp and keys. And your own little toolkit. The toolkit has an assortment of wrenches, metric wrenches, screwdriver, and Allen keys. This is a 4-inch tire on a 26-inch wheel. headlight. It's a really cool headlight. All right, we've got the bike together. We haven't powered it on yet. The one little minor detail that we needed to figure out for this particular model of Rad Power Bike is it doesn't have a bottle cage mount. So I went on Amazon, link in the description below, and I bought this accessory. And this allows you to mount bottle cages to the front mounting point where you would normally have a luggage rack. So you can see that the bottle mount here is a really good solution because, as I mentioned, there isn't any bottle cage mounts on the RadRover 6 Plus. So you can do 2 bottles if you want. We're just going to go with 1 on the right hand side for now. Okay, looks like the bike came with 20% charge. I'd like to see a little bit higher than that, but okay, power on. Okay, there we go. There's a 1. Oh, okay, here we go. Looks like we've got maybe 4.
You turn the lights off, you gotta tell it you don't need lights.
Oh, nice. Very cool. There's our LED headlight.
Once you turn your lights off, save the battery.
No, it's very low voltage. And a taillight on this bike, very cool. Here's your speedo, miles per hour, odometer 0.1, it's got time, 12:35 p.m., is that right? No? And you have a watt meter.
10:57, flip the clock.
We've got setting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 would be turning it off. Oh, here's the lights on and off, ready? Boom. So this gray button will turn your lights on and off. Cool, right?
Yeah. So you don't have no battery for 7, do you?
You probably do. I don't know. It says you have 4 bars over here. I don't know why this says 2. Probably wouldn't hurt to charge it.
Tired already.
All right, just doing a test ride without the electric component, without pedal assist turned on. So you get used to the shifting.
1.
All right, customer first reaction. What do you think? Rad! E-biking. Removing the battery, place the key into the key port, turn the unlock position. So there's a little lock. Unlock, it pops up. Carefully lift the battery up, angling it away from clearing the terminal contacts. Up and out. There we go. Here's your battery. Here's the terminal contacts. And for charging, we're going to plug right into here. Actually, you could. This is the same port for charging if it was on the bike too. All right, let's charge it up. Want to feel how heavy it is? If you didn't have pedal assist, that's a lot of weight to carry around. Okay, charger is plugged into the battery via the side port. Now we're going to add power to it. Okay, looks like we have a red light, which should mean it's charging. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so this is still 2 bars. We'll let this sit for a while.
After we built up the bikes, I took my parents out on their first e-bike ride. I took my dad out first on his black high step, and then I took my mom out for a ride on her white Step-Thru. We did about 6 miles, a loop around their house, average speed of 15.5 miles per hour with a maximum speed of 28.3 miles per hour. Remember that the Rad electric e-assist only goes up to 20 miles per hour. So 28 happened when we were going down a hill. It took about 23 minutes to do that 6 miles and about 484 feet of elevation gain. And of course my parents had to take the bikes out for a real ride on a gravel trail. Let's take a look at a video that a friend recorded of them riding on the Erie Canal Trail.
Go, go, go! Yay!
That is one hell of a birthday present. Whoever this is going to be seeing this, his son is amazing. These are awesome bikes.
Thank you very much.
Way to go. Oh my gosh.
Peace.
You should go on YouTube.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter at Tesla Family Chan. Use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels. You'll get a reward after system activation.